In prime-time news tonight, 2 of 11 students in critical condition after crash in Clarendon. Police search for 2 men in connection with cops killing. And the security forces urged to be more strategic in going after criminals in SOE zones.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the government said it's finalizing plans for an insurance policy against natural disasters. I'll tell you more about that. And also good news for motorists. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. By how much? I'll tell you later in the business day.
And from Herman Green to Jermaine at the Sports Desk with a look at what's happening there.
Well, thank you, Archie. Football is in the air and some interesting names could be included in Jamaica's Gold Cup squad. We'll tell you more when we come back.
Thanks, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the extension of the state of emergency in Western Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.